In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube to create captions for one of your Premiere Pro videos. To do that, you'll need a Google account because you can't have a YouTube account without a Google account. So most people have Google accounts. If you're using any of the Google applications, you have a Google account. If not, you can go to accounts.google.com and get one. So once you have that, you'll need a YouTube account. And when you go to YouTube, you can just sign up for YouTube with your Google account. So once you have your YouTube account, you'll be able to customize your channel or go to YouTube Studio to upload that video. Once you're in YouTube Studio, you will see your channel dashboard. Go to the left and select Subtitles. Then select the video that you want. Now you will get video subtitles. Now, on the published files, click the download link. Once your file has downloaded, go find it on your computer. Once I have that file, I'm going to go to captionsconverter.com to convert my SBV file to a .srt. So once I have my SRT file that I can use in Premiere, I'm going to import it into my video project. Now I'm going to pull that file from my project pane onto my timeline up above my video. And once I've done that, I'm going to click the wrench icon in my program pane and make sure that captioning is enabled. If you need to tweak your captions, just use the Captions panel on the right-hand side of your screen.